In this video, I will be telling you all about the new IKSPRAYER Pro 2 battery sprayer. So we've been waiting a long time for this battery power sprayer. It was in the works for a long time at goizper in Spain, but for some reason they needed to fine-tune it and it took a little bit longer. But hey, this is the first one we received. Let's unbox it and let's see what comes in the package. So this is the new IKSPRAYER Pro 2 sprayer. Sprayer on top, the bottle in the middle, and the battery pack on the bottom. Let's open it to see what we got. The pump sprayer. Here you can already see the gray nozzle that is with the kit, together with an orange one and a green one for a different type of foam. This is the bottle, which has 1.5 liters of capacity, and here is the 7.4 volt battery that should be sufficient for 10 sprays or 10 refills on sprays. So let's see how that goes. So back to the sprayer. Here are the two extra nozzles, where the green one is for dry foam, the gray one, which is already standard mounted, is for intermediate foam, and the orange one is for wet foam. There are a yellow and a blue plastic cap. You can, for example, click them on here. So this one is closed. Maybe you have more in your arsenal, so you can then color coordinate them. Maybe with a normal or a pH neutral cleaner, and the other one maybe with a strong alkalic pH 13 or pH 14 cleaner. So yeah, coded by color, and you know what's in the bottle. Always do 1 to 10. So that means 120 ml of snowfoam on this 1.25 liters of water. So with the gray nozzle, intermediate foam, you should hold the on and off switch for 3 seconds, and then the light indicates green, and then again you just tip it. And that's it. So after use, release the pressure by pulling this valve. Take the gray one out, and I'm gonna put the green one in here, like this. So let's try the green for dry foam. It's definitely a much thicker snow foam. Put in the orange one, should be for wet foam. So let's gonna do the wet foam on the left side of the car. It's maybe a little bit wetter, but I think it's very close to the gray nozzle. So to conclude this video, what a great sprayer this is. This is a must-have for everybody that's doing some external washing. So if you got your own wash base set up, pressure washer with a foam cannon, everything equipped, then you're good to go, you know. But if you wash externally at a Koch car wash or at a local car wash box service, and you want to take some good of your best cleaners, degreasers and foams with you, then yes, this is a really great add-on to, yeah, as always, use snow foam as a pre-wash. First foam up the car, let it soak in, then rinse it off, and then start with the washing process. But yeah, it's a great tool. The difference between the gray nozzle, the green nozzle and the orange nozzle, I thought in particular the green nozzle really got my attention, because you got on this side, you've got way thicker foam than we had on the back side or on the left side of the car. The IKSPRAYER Pro 2 sprayer on battery, it's definitely a must-have if you wash externally or if you wash at your customer's addresses. If you'd like to know more about pre-cleaning and snow foaming on very dirty cars with winter's grime, then click on the pop-up banner and watch that video. Bye bye!